Welcome back to LuxVan, your home for the most exciting and luxurious motorhomes on the road. And today we're stepping into a whole new level of opulence with the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece that blends elite automotive craftsmanship with the freedom of life on wheels. From the very first glance, this motorhome makes a powerful statement. The exterior design is bold, sleek, and unmistakably Maybach, with a futuristic front fascia, a wide illuminated grille, and razor-sharp LED headlights that give it a commanding presence. The smooth, flowing body lines aren't just about looks, they also improve aerodynamics, making this massive machine feel more refined and efficient on the road. Massive alloy wheels, chrome accents, and a two-tone paint finish elevate its luxury appeal, while the panoramic windshield offers an expansive view for both driver and passengers. Every detail, from the sculpted side panels to the integrated lighting, reflects premium craftsmanship and modern elegance. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a world that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a motorhome. The interior is drenched in fine leather, real wood trims, ambient LED lighting, and brushed metal accents, all tailored to Maybach's signature luxury style. The living area is spacious and open, featuring plush sofas that can recline into lounge chairs, a large dining setup, and a fully equipped kitchenette with premium appliances, sleek countertops, and smart storage solutions. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with luxury bedding, soft lighting, and panoramic windows that let you wake up to breathtaking views wherever you park. The bathroom feels like a spa on wheels, with a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and elegant finishes. Advanced infotainment screens, surround sound audio, climate control zones, and voice-activated systems ensure comfort and entertainment at every step of your journey. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is just as impressive as its interior. Power comes from a high-performance engine, likely a refined V8 or hybrid-assisted powertrain, delivering smooth acceleration and effortless cruising even with its massive size. The suspension system is engineered for maximum comfort, soaking up road imperfections, so you feel like you're gliding rather than driving. Mercedes' advanced driving assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision avoidance, and 360-degree cameras, make handling this luxury giant surprisingly easy and safe. Whether you're navigating highways or scenic mountain roads, this motorhome promises a quiet, stable, and confident ride. Technology plays a huge role in this luxury home on wheels. The digital cockpit is packed with large displays that control navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and smart home-style features. You can manage lighting, temperature, blinds, and even security systems with a touch or voice command. Solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and smart energy management ensure you can enjoy off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort. Now let's talk about the price, because luxury at this level doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is expected to start well above the $1 million mark, depending on customization and options. With bespoke interiors, personalized layouts, and premium upgrades, the final price can climb significantly higher. But for those who demand the best in comfort, prestige, and exclusivity, this motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle investment. So if you've ever dreamed of traveling the world, wrapped in pure luxury, with the prestige of Maybach and the freedom of the open road, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome might just be the ultimate expression of that dream. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey here at LuxVan.